Coming out of flexi mirror. I don't even bother to do it. Hey, Brad.
I love it. I want more.
I love it too.
Do more so I can catch it on video, Jeremy.
Oh, have this meal all the time.
Do more so I can catch it on video.
Try it, man. That's got him in the eyes.
Oh, that's shit, man.
Yeah, it looks like shit. Looks like shit. Hold on.
Hold on.
Just
hold
flush
on.
it. Just flush it. You just flush it.
Put your head in there.
I love you, eh?
Nasty.
Oi, I love you too. It's got shit hanging from it. Hold on.
Okay, we're holding on, buddy. Boy, fucking, I know you do us proud.
Oh, I can take a shit, eh?
Boy, you won't shit while you're having a spew.
Oh, you
Okay,
stink.
hold on.
He's gonna do a shit spew. Go on.
Oh, there's blood coming out the nose.
You don't worry about the nose. I'm gonna take a shit.
Yeah, man. Blood's a fucking lazy, you worries.
Take the shit.
Hold on. Oi.